Misislinis is a passion project between me and my partner, Aika. We recognize that a lot of homeowners really need help in keeping their homes clean because maintaining a clean home gives us an opportunity to be more creative, happier, healthier. Our expertise is really more on thorough general cleaning and post-construction cleaning. Our main identifier with competitors is really that we can cater through every home, like small homes, big homes. We have tools that will be able to meet their needs. In bigger homes, we might need scaffoldings to reach high ceilings, high fixtures. So we also have that. We really believe that cleaning is really a talent. In Misislinis, we're really proud that our staff are all very, very passionate in transforming homes. Whenever we transform home, we also transform our clients' lives.